Hello, fellow quarantined. This is Dave Burrows from the Roads and Rails Museum. I hope you're using your time to build that home layout you've always wanted. And if you're not, here's a very stern look for you. There it is. That's a stern look. But I know you're doing the right thing. Today we're going to show you how I put this tongue into my thing right there, the adapter for my section plate. And it's going to be pretty good. It's got a little play up and down, but I'm taking advantage of that and building a better interface for the rest of these lines of trains that I'm putting on my mobile table. If you don't understand what this video is about, look towards our previous video and you'll see what I'm talking about, the section plate table. This makes it possible for us to have a nice big yard of trains ready to go that can be sent off at any time. And you can see right here, I've got a control box set up, and I'm going to be adding more switches to that pretty darn soon. And I'm pretty proud of the job I did on wiring that. Did it a bunch of years ago. And you can see here, I'm putting in those two outer pieces were already there, but I had to cut this piece, which I call a tongue. And the tongue, there's the tongue and the teeth. The teeth are the outer pieces right there. And the tongue, as you can see, is mounted right underneath. And I glued it on. And it means that the track on the table will fit right into that and ensure a perfect alignment. And this is what I did. Here we go. I just moved the table to the right connection, and I'm able to move trains on and off, no problem. And they go back and forth just beautifully, and you'll be able to see that I'm able to move them into different parts of the table as well. See, I start off with the first line of trains. You got to make good use of this time. We're all cooped up, but you can only hang so many pictures and mend so many socks. So I look forward to seeing you all when we reopen again at the Roads and Rails Museum, and we're in downtown Frederick, and we look forward to seeing you. Stay well, stay safe, and stay well fed. Thank you very much. Bye bye.